I'm going to show you how you can add these beautiful testimonial slider sections like this into your theme. They look fantastic on desktop and they also look pretty dang good on mobile. Definitely one of my favorite sections, and they're really useful to put either on product pages or home pages, even secondary about pages, where you want to curate different reviews from certain people. With that being said, the way that this section works is there's an outermost section layer here that is selected, and you can adjust the fixed width, or if you're using a Dawn or Horizon theme, you can select those themes. Or if you're a developer, you can even set your own custom class. I'll be using a fixed width for this demo. Then inside the section, there's a layout container. And if we go into the editing mode and hit customize, we can actually adjust the different slider options to change how fast it auto plays, or we can decide if it loops. We can also decide where we want to position our arrows and so on. Within each one of the layouts, there are groups, and in the groups, we can actually adjust the text. So by clicking on the text and the image and this text here, we can actually interchange all of the different content and even style it depending on how we want it to look. For example, if we want this to be a paragraph, we can change it from an H4 to a paragraph tag, and we can even adjust the font size and the color. So now that you know that you can customize these sections pretty easily and that they look fantastic on mobile, you may be wondering, how can we add these sections to our theme? They're added through this app called Flexi. And for full transparency, I am a professional developer who's been working on Shopify sites for 5+ years now. And this is my own personal library that is professionally built and maintained by me. I used to charge $1,000 per section, but you can add any of my sections to your theme for just $12 a month. Considering that they're maintained and beautifully built and will always work and stay up to date, it's kind of like having a professional developer in your back pocket, which is pretty sweet for the price. With that being said, once the app is installed, you want to go over into the app and then go over into the slider sections tab. Within the slider sections tab, you'll want to search for testimonials. And you can add in any one of these sections here, testimonial slider 1, 2, or 3. All you have to do is select your theme and then hit add section. Once the section is added into your theme, you can go over into Shopify, hit plus over here, and then search for testimonial slider. And then under Flexi sections, you can add in any of these sliders that you've added. For example, if I click on this first slider here, this is how it looks out of the box. Obviously, we want to remove this heading up here because it's not centered. So I'm just going to hide the heading. And then as you can tell here, we can start to adjust the text and even swap in an image if we'd like. Swap in an image of this guy here just for demo purposes. And as you can see here, it's already starting to shape up. If you found this video useful, and if you are interested in learning more about how to work within the Shopify theme customizer, I highly recommend you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyways, feel free to give this video a like, again, if you found it useful, and cheers.